Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Apex Legends on your mobile. This is the simplest and easiest method you'll find on the internet to download Apex Legends right into your mobile. Don't worry, the work efficiency of this is 100%, as I covered and fixed all the issues and made it simple, clean and easy for you to download and install it. And yes, this doesn't require any root or patches or modification or any other extra installations. So don't worry, it's very simple, just follow the steps. Don't miss any step, watch till the end so that you won't get any issue. Let's get started without wasting any time. Step 1. Download the Apex Legends downloader folder from the link given below in the description. There are two links available in the description. The first one is directly from the Google Drive and the another one is from the Telegram channel. If you are downloading from the Google Drive, you will get the exact same folder. Step 2. And if you are downloading from the Telegram channel, you will have to extract in your internal storage of your phone. Step 3. Installing the APK which is given in the folder. Don't open the APK till we complete our process. Step 4. Make a folder if not created by default in File Manager. You will see an Android folder, open it, and in that there will be a OBB folder, open it and then create a folder over there. You have to give same name to the folder as in the video. Step 5. Copy the another large file which is there in the Apex Legends downloader folder and paste it in the new folder which is created in OBB. In these 5 steps, the process is complete. Now enjoy your game. Hope you find this video helpful. I made this thing simple and easy for you. Sub to my channel will be very helpful to me, and share this video with your friends and family, play with them and enjoy.